Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing your Mac and starting the installer. Make sure you're signed into the Google account you want to use, and verify macOS meets the minimum requirement so the app runs smoothly. Once done, download the drive for desktop installer using Safari or Chrome and double-click the DMG file to mount it. You're starting the installation now because the app configures background syncing and permissions during setup, which prevents manual file conflicts later. After mounting the disk image, drag Drive for Desktop into Applications and open it. You'll be prompted to sign in again to authorize access. Grant the requested permissions in System Settings. Finder integration and files and folders allow seamless syncing. Next, choose between streaming files to save disk space or mirroring to store copies locally. Pick specific folders or My Drive to include. This matters because your choice controls storage use and offline availability. So pick based on finish setup by verifying Drive appears in your Finder sidebar and watching the status icon as files sync. This confirms the connection. Create a quick document in the Drive folder to test upload and then check Google Drive on the web to ensure it appears. If things go wrong, restart the Drive app, verify your internet, and reauthorize your Google account in the app preferences. Often the issue is a permissions prompt missed in System Settings, so make sure those are enabled for Drive to function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.